Hello there, this is Anthony Johnson. I'm going to do a quick demo on clustered indexes. So I created a temp table. We have name and age, and we have our values here. Now also selected from it so you can see the order that it's in. So a cluster index, well, first off, if you add a primary key onto a table, it automatically creates a cluster index. But a cluster index reorders the physical order of the data that's inside the table. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a cluster index on this age. We're going to put it in ascending order. So from the youngest to the oldest. So let's start here. So you see our data, it's in random order. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So we'll do create clustered index. Then we put our index name. We'll just say age index. Then we have to specify the table that it's on. Ours is on name, age, and then we specify the column. The column is age. We're going to do ascending. All right, so the syntax is fairly simple. Create cluster index, your index name on the table. Then you specify the column within a parentheses, and then you either do ascending or descending. We're doing ascending in this example. So we executed it. So now let's take a gander. You see everything's in order from youngest to oldest. So now let's take this away. And now let me show you. I'm just gonna drop it. Drop name, age. We'll just drop it so I can demonstrate how the primary key automatically clusters it. The cluster creates a cluster index, I should say. So we're gonna do this primary key. And get rid of this because it doesn't exist. And now although the order is all over the place, you got 73, 45, 34, 30, 56, and 18. Oh, didn't even realize this. Numbers doesn't have to be inside of a parentheses or in single quotes. So now let's highlight this and run it. 6 rows affected. Now keep in mind, we have a primary key on our age column. So now let's take a look. And you see it's not ordered as far as when we inserted the values. Highlight that. And there you go. So in the beginning, we created a cluster index to an existing table. And here I demonstrated that the primary key automatically creates a cluster index on the specified column. Typically it would be on the ID column, which is a unique identifier. But for example purposes, I put it on the age because I wanted to demonstrate that the power of the primary key and how it creates the cluster index. But typically, yeah, it would have like a person ID or something. And that will be uniquely tailored towards that person and their age. So thank you for learning with me, and have a good one.